Yes, good morning students. Chapter number 28, Company Secretary, Voting and Procedure of Voting. Page number 300. Voting. Word is a word which is originated from Latin word votum, which means indicating one's wish or desire. Voting is a word which is originated from the Latin word which means one's wish or desire. Then voting is a formal expression or opinion or wish in favor of proposal or against the proposal in which a candidate to be elected for office. This is also known as voting. Apart from that, every motion or proposal is subjected to approval of the majority shareholders or majority of the members. A motion or proposal may be called as resolution only after passing or approval of the majority shareholders or the members of the company. The members can cast their vote only on the occasion in which they wanted to establish their rights according to section 47 of Indian Companies Act of 2013. So that their motion or proposal converted into resolution only after getting of approval from the majority of the shareholder or the members by cast their votes at the time of meeting. Suppose if the proposal or the motion not approved by the shareholders which are against the proposal, then it should be dropped in the initial stage itself. The proposal approved by the shareholders only in the majority, then only it will be called as resolution. So the resolution will take place on the basis of casting their votes of the majority shareholders of the members. Then next topic is procedure of voting. Procedure of voting are two distinct types, namely open and secret. Open procedure and secret procedure. Open procedure method of voting take place by two methods, by voice and showing of hands. But in case of secret procedure voting, also follow two methods, namely by ballot and by postal ballot. Now see one by one. Open procedure. Under this method, the secrecy has to be maintained, because all the members are assembled and can see the voting procedure. So in the open procedure method, no secrecy can be maintained. Under this method, the members are allowed to raise their voice in favor of resolution, in favor of proposal or against the proposal in an issue. If the members wanted to cast their vote in favor of proposal, they have to say yes, which is for approval. And the members who wanted to cast their vote against the proposal, then they have to say no, which means rejection. So say for yes for approval and no for rejection. So the chairman instructed to or allow the members to raise their voice, yes for approval and no for rejection. Then the chairman count the results on the basis of strength of votes shouted by the members or the shareholders. So voice method is an unscientific method, and this method cannot be employed when the complex issue of the company. So it is an unscientific method, and this method cannot be employed in an issue of company which is complex in nature. Then in the open procedure, another method is showing of hands. In this method, chairman requested to the members who raise their hands in favor of proposal and also against the proposal. And the chairman counted the hands raised by the member. Who are all the members who raise their hands in favor of proposal? That means yes. And those who are the members cast their vote against the proposal, they have to say no, also raise their hands. Then the result will be announced by the chairman on the basis of hands raised by the members. The same should be counted. So showing of hands, the chairman or requested the members to raise their hands for in favor of proposal and against the proposal by the shareholders or the members. Based on the number of hands raised, the counted hands, and the result will be announced. Then the second method is secret procedure. In secret procedure is also followed by two methods, namely open ballot method and postal ballot method. This method is adopted to decide vital issues of the company. This method is a popular method also. The secrecy can be maintained by following the secret procedure method. The voters' secrecy can be maintained under this method. In the secret procedure method, ballot papers are given to the members or the shareholders, which are serially numbered, and they are instructed to record their opinion in the ballot paper by marking of symbol in the ballot paper. And the members or the shareholders cast their votes in the secret chamber. And the marking of ballot paper and the same should be deposited and put into the ballot box. The shareholders or the members are instructed to mark the symbol in the ballot paper in a secret chamber. After marking of such symbol, it should be put into the ballot box. After the election process is over, the chairman opened the ballot box in the presence of scrutinizer and they have started to counting the vote. While counting the recorded votes, any defective or wrongly marked in the ballot paper, the votes are rejected and the remaining votes are counted and the result will be announced on the basis of number of votes marked by the shareholders or the members. This is the procedure to be followed, secret procedure and a ballot box method. And next one is postal ballot. This method have to be followed by the company which are all larger in size. That means big companies or larger organizations whose members are scattered all over the country and the members are unable to physically present in the meeting and they are unable to cast their vote. So in such a circumstance, the ballot papers are sent to the members or the shareholders in a sealed cover and instructed them to mark and the same should be returned to the company. So after receiving of such ballot paper by the members or the shareholders, marking the symbol on the ballot paper and seal them, same should be returned to the company. As usual, the chairman counting the vote in addition with the ballot papers. I mean the postal ballot with the other ballot box. And the results will be declared on the basis of vote recorded, vote marked by the shareholders or the members. So the postal ballot method used for the members, those who are residing in the distant place of the company. So they are unable to physically present at the meeting and they are unable to cast their vote. So simply say the ballot papers are sent to the members in the sealed cover and instruct them to mark in the ballot paper and same should be returned to the company. After that, as usual, the ballot papers covers are opened and count the number of votes and the results will be announced by the chairman. So this method is followed under the secret procedure method. So in case of procedure of voting, two methods. One is open procedure and the second one is secret procedure. Open procedure method followed by two methods, namely voice and by showing of hands. In the secret procedure method also, two methods have to be followed. Number one, ballot paper and postal ballot. So with this end of what do you mean by voting? What are the procedures to be followed of voting? So this end of the chapter number 28. So we will see in the next class about the whole revision, overall revision of the chapter number 28.